We have a number of different facilities. We have thousands of pieces of equipment scattered across, North America, and it's very challenging to, pull information regarding equipment performance, utilization, maintenance.
Genco faced many of the same challenges a lot of companies face with having equipment, basically investing a lot in material handling assets and deploying those assets. As we met with more and more people from Bob's group, we had other challenges regarding time productivity issues. It became apparent that there were applications that iWAREHOUSE could provide them. For example, when who was on the truck, when did they log on, when did they log off. Genco was working on the other side with EasyMetrics, which is their labor management provider. And EasyMetrics was taking data from their warehouse management system, their time clock system, and then considering integrating the iWAREHOUSE data, which had never been done before, into a system. And that was pretty much driven by Bob, who came up with this idea of basically putting these two systems together.
We knew from the architecture, the way that our system is designed, that we would be able to incorporate in the data coming from iWAREHOUSE. Once we got that up and running, the customer had total visibility in their cost structure as we were finalizing the labor standards. And one thing that was very helpful from iWAREHOUSE is getting the utilization rate on how often the employees were operating the equipment for each process. And some things that we found is that the initial labor standards put together by the industrial engineer, in most cases were very accurate, but there's a few processes that he didn't have a lot of information on, that when we looked at the labor standards compared to the utilization rate, we went back and recommended that he reevaluate some of his standards, because iWAREHOUSE was showing us that the employee was operating, say, the equipment 80% of the time, but the labor standard was coming in as very low consistently.
iWAREHOUSE and EasyMetrics combined were able to develop and provide information and reporting to us that basically gave us total visibility to teammates at all levels and all functions. It incorporates equipment utilization, equipment costs, maintenance costs, a number of different areas where you could focus attention on to drive down costs and increase your operating efficiencies.